What's up? Today, so let's do a complete updated multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this high precious metal. Now, gold on the intraday time frame, we can find as another snipper entry opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first of all, we'll look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective. Now, on the monthly time frame, we see that gold has broken a very, very important historical monthly level of support. Now, if you look at the low of this monthly candle, you can see that this is a very, very important level of support. This support has created here in 2020, and then quite a few times on the monthly perspective, the price came to this level of support and rejected to the upside. Now, at this point, as expected, what we have seen that gold after previous monthly close as a bearish candle, this month after little retracement, we have seen the prices started to drop. Now, the way the price action has been formed on the lower time frame, we could potentially see further drop on gold, probably to this level. This month we can see gold is coming back. So with that in mind, let's look at weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly perspective, the price did the same thing. We have seen a very strong bearish price action on the weekly, followed by this doji weekly doji. That's a deceleration. Now, if you look at overall structure, we see that there is a double top, change of trend, strongly drop, followed by retracement, another drop, followed by retracement. It's a typical downtrending market. Now, we have seen in this zone, the price has created this narrow doji on the weekly perspective, and then gold started to drop. Now, this current week, we have seen gold has completely broken this monthly and weekly level of support, and we have seen the prices below this level. So with that said, as there is no significant support coming up, we could potentially see a drastic drop on gold to the downside. So with that in mind, let's look at daily time frame to see what kind of trading opportunity. Now, daily we have seen the same thing. There was a 20 period moving average retest of this previous support as a resistance in the same zone, and we have seen gold has broken with this bearish candle followed by this doji, and then we have seen another bearish candle. Now, what do you see with that daily candle? Gold basically has broken out of this support completely. Now, this is the daily support. We could see this support probably testing as a resistance at some point, but still the price is bearish and we can expect further drop on gold in this direction. Now, if you look at intraday time frame, this is where we can find a significant trading opportunity. As you can see, there are two back-to-back doji on the 4-hour time frame is formed here when the daily level was monthly support was breaking, and with that doji we already secured one profitable trade from this zone with our students. Now, at this point, what kind of price action is this is the main concern for this analysis. As you can see that we could find another shorting opportunity as a snipper entry. As you can see, after this big drop, the way the price action formed, we have seen a candle. This is a bearish engulfer. It's a textbook bearish engulfer which has crossed the previous one completely to the upside. This is a liquidity grab, and then this candle has closed with a full body red. Now, after this kind of move, when we see this pattern, this is a trend continuation pattern, because gold is in a very strong downtrend. After this kind of move, when we see this pattern and a false breakout to the upside with this leg, that means that we could potentially see another drop on gold to the downside to continue its downtrend. So with that in mind, we are already running a successful trade on this one, and as soon as we will find another trading opportunity from this zone, we'll consider shorting again gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.